Hey, what's up, family? This is Chef Jeff Perry of Perry's Pick Q coming to you live right here. Um, I just finished doing about 20 pounds of meat of chicken. So I did legs, thighs, breasts, wings. Um, and as you can see, I got one side off. I'm getting ready to take the other side off. But as you can see, I got the sauce on them. I'm doing my famous sticky chicken. This is Paris Pick Q sticky chicken that I'm doing. So um, I'm sorry I didn't do a video of the prep and everything and what it looked like before I put the sauce on it, but I'm trying to get it done. I got about 12 slabs of ribs to do. And for those of you who did not get an order, you definitely going to miss out. But hey, there will always be next time. I'll be running, specials on ribs and chicken in the very near future. So hey, if you want to get some, check me out. You go to my YouTube channel. That is Paris Pick Q, or you can go to my Facebook page, which is Paris Pick Q, and check me out. All right, Chef Jeff out. What's going on, family? Hey, this is your boy Jeff, Chef Jeff here. Coming at you, just checking out. I showed you what I was doing with the chicken, and here I am right now with 6 slabs of ribs. I got 6 more to go, but as you can see, they are coming along very well. Like I said, I'm going to do some more ribs pretty soon, so if you want ribs, please get with me. I have a Facebook page at Perry's Pick Q, and also I have an Instagram page at Perry's Pick Q, as well as a YouTube page. If you want to check out some of the things that I do, you can go there and check them out. I just wanted to show this to you. I've been up since about 6 o'clock this morning firing these ribs up. So as you can see, they are coming along pretty good here. Good meaty ribs. Always know that you're going to get quality with Perry's Pick Q. They're going to always be good meaty ribs, well seasoned, and with a great complement of the sauce. Anyway, if you want to get at me, you can holler back at me. You can shoot me a text 205-999-3107, or you can call me. Or send me an email at jperry817. That's jperry817 at gmail.com. Or you can hit me up on Facebook at Paris Pick Q, or you can hit me up on Instagram at Paris Pick Q. It's Chef Jeff, and I'm out. Yeah, hey, what's up, people? It's Chef Jeff coming at you. Just want to thank everybody that purchased ribs and chicken from me for this week, this Easter weekend special that I had going on. I will have more specials coming up. I'm also going to be doing some more tutorials more frequently here, just not on ribs but on food in general. I want to send a big shout out though to the Rainbow Learning Center in Huntsville, Alabama, that purchased a nice size order from me. I thank them for entrusting me to be able to cater for their party or their get together that they had at their learning center. I got a lot of great compliments for my ribs and my chicken, and so I just want to say this to everybody on this weekend: just make sure you give God some time because He sacrificed His Son for us, and that's the greatest price that anybody could ever pay for me and for you. So with that being said, this is Chef Jeff of Paris Pick Q. If you want to order some ribs, regardless of what day it is, if you want to order ribs, hit me up on Instagram at Paris Pick Q, or you can hit me up on Facebook at Paris Pick Q, or you can call me, text me at 205-999-3107. And if they can't get me there, then you can email me at jperry817. That's jperry817 at gmail.com. I will really appreciate your business because I'm trying to grow this and make this happen, make it bigger. So with that being said, thank you guys, and God bless.